Hello everyone, welcome back to Learning Star channel. Today we are dive deeper into the Python programming tutorials. Okay, in the past session I give you an exercise to divide the list to odd and even number. But I make a catch for you that the list is given by the person that using your code. Okay, let's write it. We create a list input dot split. Okay, print list. It's first time we use input dot split to storage some data in a list. Let's see how it's storage data. Okay, wait to connect. Oh, sorry, I forget something. Okay, run again. Okay, as you can see, we gave it the numbers, some numbers. And as you might think, it gave us a list of numbers that we gave to input. Okay, now let's print the second item of the list to. Okay, let's print. As you can see, it's 4. And that means that the input.split is storing the data in a list. Okay, now we gave a list and the data is stored in the list. Okay, then we write a for x in range list. No, for x in list. What this code do? It goes from the 0, 1, 2, 3 for all the items from the list. Let me print it, you can see better. Okay, we gave a list some items. As you can see, it's print all the items of the list. Okay, now let's do something. Let's write if x. Okay, as you might know, the x is str. We must convert it to integer. Then if x %2 equal to 0, print x. Let's check if the code is running right. 2, 5, 6, 7. Okay, as you can see, it print the even number. Now let's try to remove them from the list. List dot remove x. What do you think? This code is running right or wrong? Let's check. Print list. This code must remove all the even number from the list. Let's give a list to it. Okay. And enter. What? Why the 4 didn't removed? Okay, the problem is here is that the first time, let me print x here to give you see what the problem is. Okay, let's run it again for these numbers and okay. As you can see, the first time it's going for the K0 in the list. K0 in the list is 2. And if 2% is true, this if is running. And then this list remove the 2. And after that, the X is going for the one item 1 with K1 in the list. Item with K1 you think is 4, but not, because we remove 2. The item number 1 is 5. Because of that, we must do something like this. List is equal list. Then list 1 dot remove x. Print list 1. Let's run it. Oh, we have the same problem too. Why? The code is running wrong. Okay, list 1 dot remove x. Why it don't go for 4? Oh, I see. We must use the copy command. I tell you what it do. Okay, as you can see, the code is running right. When we equal to listed, let's write a code to give you a thought of what happened. Okay, let's make a list called LL and equal to 2, 3, 4, 5, and create a list LL2 equal to LL. Print. Let's remove LL dot remove 2, for example. Print LL2. This two, because this line of code saying that LL2 is equal to LL, and when we change LL, LL2 is changed to. Because of that, we must use the command copy for lists. Now you see the LL2 is LL1. Okay, let's make this code running right. The list of even numbers. Okay, let's run it and check. As you can see, the list of even odd numbers, the list of odd numbers is 5, 7, 9, and the code is running perfectly right. Okay, for the next session, I want you to do something very important. As you can see, the data science is one of the most important things in programming, and it have a lot of requests for jobs. I want you to create a list of names and passwords. Like what? Names and Gmails. Like what? List 2 equal to Alex Gmail. For example, Alex @gmail.com. And a list of this I gave you in the comments, a list of names and Gmails, but it has a catch. The catch is what? Some of the names don't have Gmails. Like what? Example XLM. It's not a name. Let me create it. Okay. It has, for example, no Gmail. Next name. Laura. Let me make it easier for you. Not a Gmail. It have a number. And a number is, for example, something like this. And the numbers are less than a million as thing. I give you this list and I want you to print the names that don't have numbers, like Laura. It don't have any number after it. Okay, until next session, have a good day and don't forget to try.